there's a rope here, and I guess he can climb down and go in this water. I want to go on record to tell him that I'm against this idea. Saw a guy at his house right there, and look at the stream like kind of runs right through his front porch. Wider and wider is a nice flowing stream, so hopefully we're gonna see a decent waterfall today. This is ranked one of the top ones in this area, and especially I have this All Trails app. It's called All Trails, and this is one of the highly recommended trails. Apparently we're going to cross the river like 20 times, and they say your feet are going to get really wet. It's got all these little purple butterflies or moths. I think they're little butterflies. They're all over the place over here. Apparently it's a very shady hike, and I figure, all right, I haven't really gotten any sun on this whole trip up here, so I figure I
think they can smell you.
I'll get a little sun for a minute until we get in the shade, then I'll throw my shirt back on. And then yeah, every time we walk by these cows, buffaloes, whatever the hell you call these things, they look at you, man, like they want to charge you. But they're cute, kind of like deer.
What the hell's that?
I think these are more like cows, those ones with those big horns. Those are buffalo maybe, I don't know. Alright, so Hua Nam Dang National Park, and this is the beginning of the trail. So I guess we could have drove right here and parked right here. There was a couple big dips and whatever, but yeah, we have to start our hike going across the river. If you don't like wet feet, do not do this hike. All right, Rabbi. We should probably put our masks on.
In the middle of the woods, huh?
The only people in the middle of a forest. Greeny humor, sorry guys. So it's amazing, you go up these trails like this, and you're like, I don't know, it's state park land or whatever. I mean, supposedly this is a state, or I mean, you know, like national forest, but you know, you got the guy, it's all set up, living down there, guy's little farm, and it's almost like squatters' rights, or if your family's been in a certain area living, like that's your property. And you cannot have a chinote or anything for this, but you could set up. I mean, I wonder what would stop some Farangs like us just, you know, setting up a campsite somewhere in the middle of nowhere and calling it ours. I don't know. I guess immigration's not going to accept that as your address. One National Forest Way. Probably not going to be a good idea. So Rob, when we walk through this terrain like this with these type of trees and the leaves on the ground, what do you think of?
It doesn't make me feel like I'm in Thailand. I feel like I'm in upper Michigan. It's like
yeah,
it's in the fall. It's not even really that hot. There's bugs. They're biting us. It's like, you know, we're in the woods somewhere.
Feels like we're going to Tequanimon Falls in the UP more than we're going to some waterfalls in Thailand. The other ones I've been to, you know, it's very tropical, lush with, you know, palm trees and everything, but we're up here so high that, you know, it's just an entirely different elevation. It's really, really neat. I hope we're going the right way. We're on like a real trail now. We just got off the 2-track and we're on a real trail. I hope we're going the right direction, but we're following the river. And we're right alongside the river.
Yeah, that wrapped its way around the tree. It didn't kill the tree. Normally the vines kill. I mean, the vine is in those. I don't know.
What the hell is that? Anybody know what that is?
I don't know what they are.
Is that edible? I don't know. Or this looks like little mini hot peppers almost. Let me know in the comments, guys. What is that? Is that edible? Oh yeah, there's a whole bunch of them. I've never seen that in my life. Try to get the rocks out of my shoes here. Good place to wear a bathing suit and water shoes type shoes. we gotta cross back across and head up that way. Pretty cool. So we reached a point, I think maybe up here, and then to the right I think there's the trail. We don't really see where the trail is on the other side here. Another river crossing, but I think once we go up there's a trail on the side of the river. You can see it's flowing down this way, so we gotta go this way. We could always just walk right up the river maybe. Pretty cool, guys. Definitely one of my top 5 things to do in PAI. We've reached a point where there's a big fence, but it's open. So I don't know, maybe certain times of the year, yeah, I bet certain times of the year when it's the wet season, they close this because maybe it's too dangerous. I just hope that whoever mans the gate doesn't lock us in, because that did not look like the type of fence I want to climb over. Another really cool canopy. It's amazing how these plants just grow like this over the trail. We're very isolated here. We've not seen another soul. We're really getting into an area where this river just keeps winding, so like every 20 yards we're crossing a river. It's on the same side, we just had to walk through the river to get to it. Interesting. It's definitely getting thicker and a little bit more like tropical feeling the higher we go. This is crazy. Jeez, Pete. So we didn't even know if this is the right way, but we came off the trail there, and then it goes up that way. So it's getting more and more treacherous here. We keep having to walk up through the falls, through the rapids. So like here, we cut off, and I guess we can keep going this way a little bit. We've had to trek through the water sometimes. Start climbing up the rocks, so I'm gonna have to put you down, little buddy. I think. Yeah. Whew. All right. I think we're damn close. I'm gonna. Well, we think we've located the trail on this side. Okay, back with the. Whoa, that's deep right here, guys. Look at that. Woo. And back on the trail, sort of. It's a rocky, cliffy trail here. And it's a little slippery. It's kind of along the riverbed. Is this it? This might be the end. I don't even know. A little slippery. Oh, he's going up some other trail. Oh, they got a rope. Very cool. Very cool. I appreciate this. Here. See this, guys? The rope. I don't think Rob took the rope. Very slippery, guys. Very slippery, especially with Greeny shoes, but check it out. Amazing. Oh, epic, epic. I've been using amazing too much, so I'm saying epic. What are you doing? You're going to climb the rope down and go swimming?
Go there. I'll go there. I'm going to get a little wet and come right back.
All right, Rob, there's a rope here, and I guess he can climb down and go in this water. I want to go on record to tell him that I'm against this idea. That's fine. So far. I see that. This guy does paragliding. He's into doing crazy shit, but I'm against it. I'm on record to tell him I'm against this. He's gonna do it whether I videotape or not. I don't even know how deep that goes right there. And I wouldn't let go of that because you don't know how deep it is. Not a good idea? I just gotta try to get back up. You're gonna have to, like, basically pull your body up. You got it. Yeah, just stay on the rope. Alright.
I wanted to get in water, but
it's slippery as fuck. All this is slippery. There's moss on top of all this shit.
yeah, it would have been a stupid idea. Well, someone's done it.
Yeah, they've done it.
How the hell did they do it?
shit here, these damn cows or whatever they are, just running into the street here, running back over here, not wanting to let motorbikes go by. Frig. Don't be coming after us, fuckers. If they hit you over there with the bag, and I don't think it'll bother you, but there's the cow herder. Yeah, as long as that one with the big thing sticking out of its head doesn't come after me, I'm alright. Look at her, look at her. Yeah, playful. Yeah, they're playful. They're playful could hurt. Yeah, keep your sheep in there. Sheep.
Holy sheep.
Here they come, Rob. They're coming after me. Like, get out of our town. You don't belong here, Farangs.